Well, hey there, you awesome bipeds, quadrupeds, and even the occasional dinosaurs. It is I, Little Wolf, and welcome to my den. This isn't gonna be the normal kind of stream. I'm just kinda gonna go through Granny 4, the Rebellion. Um, and don't think I'm gonna do commentary with this one. I had to capture the game with the old screen capture that I pretty much used when I first started using my channel, and that one sadly doesn't allow you to use the microphone and capturing the in game audio. So I'm just gonna have to go through and capture the gameplay of it. And like I said, it is Granny for the Rebellion, and it is by Fighter Games. And this one I found online. I'm trying to remember the gamer names channel. It's like 8-bit something, 8-bit Andy, I think. Ooh, excuse me. But I watched him play it, and also Think Noodles, I think, played it a few times, and I just loved all the different things you could do in the game and all the room that there is in the game to run around. And when you watch the game being played, you'll understand what I mean. And also, like, even if the enemy is like pretty close to you doesn't mean they're always gonna catch you. I get close to being caught a couple of times, and I just really enjoy this one. I like it more than Granny 2 or 3. I'm not sure if I like it more than Granny 1. I really love that one. Ooh, that sounded close. Oh, dog's barking now. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So, let's see here. And like I said, this is from Fighter Games, and they have it available for Android and for PC. And it says here that Granny, Grandpa, Slendrina, and her husband have a new home together. You get caught by Slendrina's husband while driving your car. As usual, enemies are just walking around and guards their home from intruders. But Slendrina and her husband have another opinion. You need to solve puzzles and discover the secrets they hide and unlock the locks to escape this huge and creepy house. You have 5 days. Dun dun dun. And yes, I am going through it on normal right now. I am later gonna try and get into at least the hard mode of the game and hopefully get better at that. I am playing Granny 5, which later on when I get better at it, I'll be able to record it on this phone and be able to record it while I'm playing it and do commentary. But I hope you guys do enjoy this one, and at the end of it, I'll give you guys kind of a recap of where we have been for the last few months and what kind of things have happened, what kind of things are gonna happen. So, I love all you bipeds, quadrupeds, and even the occasional dinosaurs so much. So, with all of that, let's jump into Granny 4, the Rebellion, and try and escape.
Want to play hide and seek? Want to play hide and seek?
see you.
Do you want to play hide and seek? I see you. Want to play hide and seek?
I hope you guys did enjoy that and watching me get through Granny 4. And I think this is really only like the second or third time I've actually made it through the game. Um, and each time I have made it through getting out that little hatch area using the handle. And I would like to try and figure out how to get out using the car. I think that will be a bit more interesting. And they also do have another Granny 4 game that they made. That I think it's called Mortuary Madness. And I still gotta play that one a bit more and try and get more used to it. But that one is pretty fun too, and I would like to record it. But it's gonna be another one where I'm gonna have to screen capture it and not be able to commentate while I play. And speaking of that, and I know I sound a bit different now with this one. Yesterday we were out doing thrift shopping, and I found what looked like a phone headset, and it had a headphone jack, and it was like $3. And plugged it into my phone and opened up a movie, and turns out that it does play with like the sound coming through the earpiece like usual, and the mic piece does work to talk with. So I thought this would be a fun new little toy to be able to make videos with, and I know it sounds a bit different, but I do want to try and use it and have a bit of fun with it. I do have a few more other headphones that I want to try out too. I just collect headphones. If you ask Darcy, I have headphones like all over the place. Like usually within grasp, I have about maybe two or three pairs of headphones almost at any given time. I just love headphones and I need them. But I hope you guys did enjoy this game. I love getting through it, and it's just so much fun. And I hope to be able to get out through the car next time. Uh, but Lord, it was pretty crazy. Last month, or no, this month, I believe, uh, we had to go out to Reno, and the boy wanted to go see a concert, Cannibal Corpse, and so we took him out there. And while he was doing that, the wife and I went around and did some thrift shopping a little bit. I found some new books that I'm gonna look through and maybe do summaries of later on. I have a whole bunch of books to hopefully do that with. But we did a bunch of running around. We went to Circus Circus. We don't gamble with or for money, but we went through and played games and got a bunch of different stuffed animals. I got a dragon and one of the Hello Kitties that looks like a lion. So I'm thinking of calling it someone that it resembles to me, so I think that'd be kind of fun. But on the way back from there, it was about 1 a.m. or so, and we were kind of close to home, but we wound up, a deer walked right out in front of us and just walked into the passenger side of the Jeep, which is my side. And so next thing I know, like just nothing but white is around us, and my ears are ringing from the bags going off and things like that. But yeah, the deer wound up totaling the Jeep, and everybody wound up coming out okay. Darcy did wind up with a bad bruise on her leg when the airbag on her side went off on the door panel side, I think. It flew off and hit her leg, and so she got a pretty nasty bruise from that. Um, I got a nice line across my belly from where the seatbelt was, and my one thing I'm taking out of this is always wear your seatbelt when you go out. They do save lives and they do help. So please wear your seatbelt when you go out. It definitely helped us. Um, so, oh my lord, we had to go through that, and luckily the father-in-law is like a big shopper online and was able to find us a pretty decent Jeep for a good price that was almost like not been driven at all, and it has a sunroof which my wife loves, and we're able to control temperature on both sides of it, which I love because I can keep it down around 60 degrees, which is about where I like it. But it was just so much happened in such a short blink of an eye. And so we went through all that, and now I am in contact with the native people down here, and I'm going to be trying to get into therapy, not really for the crash, but there was a memory that came to surface of something that happened when I was about 6 or 7, I would think, and it just was not a good memory and really explains so much about me and why I am the way I am. And so hopefully you're going to be talking to them about that, and they're going to be able to help me with just about everything once I start getting the paperwork done that they need. So we're going to be going through that. Oh, but I thank you guys for waiting and just supporting me all the way through all of this. I love you guys so much. You have no idea how much you guys mean to me. And if you ever need any help and you're not sure who to talk to, if you're in the US, please call the suicide hotline number, which is 988. And if you're outside the US, please go to blog.opencounseling.com/suicide hyphen hotlines slash, and that'll give you a list of a bunch of different websites of all the other countries out there with websites or numbers, so you can get a hold of people if you need to talk to anybody. So if you need to, please reach out to somebody, and please wear your seatbelts. And always, if you can, wear your mask when you go out. I do try to. And if you haven't yet, go out and get your booster shots and your vaccinations. Doing both of these things will keep your friends, your family, and strangers safer. If you can, also try and distance yourself a bit when you go out. That'll keep your friends and family and strangers a lot more safer. And I'm gonna have fun when I'm walking around in public and I'm using my phone and using my headset. I'll take a picture of it so you guys can see it. I love this thing stupidly. Oh my lord. But please do all of this, and it will keep you and your families and strangers safer. And we do have a little one here in the den that we can hashtag protect the lioness. Thank you guys for waiting and supporting me. With the weather getting warmer, I'll be stuck inside a bit more, so hopefully more videos will come out. I have a better phone, so I can hopefully capture longer gaming sessions and also be able to kind of record my voice and hopefully do different things so my voice doesn't sound like this. But also, we have so many different things going on with it being spring, so I have all of that happening. Oh, I love all of you so much, and thank you for following me this far. And I do hope to make more videos soon, but please stick with me and I will put more videos out. I love all of you so much, and just thank you. So until next time, Wolf out.